Okay, hi everyone, and welcome to our first two activities for week one. So it's pretty common to have two activities for week one a very introductory one where you get to kind of meet the team, meet the group, meet the other people you're studying with, as well as get to know me a bit more, and one where we get to start to kind of explore those key concepts in the unit. So our second activity of this week lets you kind of have a look at the way in which the social work profession, which is part of human services, has developed over time and kind of gets you ready for the assignment one, which is part of the quizzes, as well as the reflective essay. You'll all be kind of nominated a randomized question to reflect upon. It just kind of gives you something to explore and something in which to base your kind of thoughts upon. It's quite, the questions are quite interesting, and they really kind of allow you to explore your scholarly and developing scholarly opinions. Another thing that you do after you kind of write your answer or your reflection on this is reply to a peer, kind of talking to them about their response and asking questions. So this is one of the most critical parts of the unit, is engaging with peers and talking to them about their ideas and what they think, and pardon me, that kind of collegiate atmosphere is one of the things that is most beneficial when it comes to this unit. So I'm looking forward to hearing more about you in the 1.2 discussion. Tell me about how you came to study at Western Sydney Online. A lot of students choose to study at Western Sydney Online due to working full-time, having children. Perhaps they're a bit older. Maybe they don't have time to get on campus. All sorts of things, all sorts of reasons. I know for me, I like teaching online because it gives me a lot of flexibility. I can do it from home. I have a family member who is quite ill at the moment, so it gives me the opportunity to kind of be there for them while still having a job. So I think that maybe a bit similar for a few of you as well. I like the flexibility of it. I like using different kind of techniques like YouTube and everything like that. I like using memes. I like talking online to students. You'll notice that whilst I do write back in the discussions, I always start my week off with a video talking to you all, and drop in during the week with a video as well. So I think it's a more effective way to communicate, because one thing you do miss with online learning is that face-to-face kind of communication. So we will be having more of that during our collaborate sessions, our drop-in sessions, when we do assignments, where you'll get to talk to me face-to-face, which I think is a really effective, helpful way of doing the assignments. And I think that it bridges that kind of gap that kind of digital or virtual communities often can have. Because you don't get to hear my voice if I'm writing to you in text. So if you can see my face and hear me talk, I think it gives you a tone when you're reading what I'm writing, to kind of, you put a face to the words, if you know what I mean. So I'm looking forward to hearing more about you this week, and what has brought you to study at Western Sydney Online, and what you like about online study, as well as hearing your thoughts about the randomized question and getting to know what makes you tick when it comes to thinking about human services. Okay, cool. Thanks.